Welcome back. Oh, sorry, man. Welcome back. Sorry, little jar of hyssop, man. I didn't mean to hit you. There we go, man. You still good? Alright, man. Shalom, man. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the road trip, man. I'm Aharon the Scribe, man. I am your scribe. I promise you that, man. I love you. Each and every single one of y'all, man. Shalom, shalom. Peace and blessings to all of y'all, man. We're back here in Isaiah. This is going to be chapter 47. I think we're going to call it Yahsher'al's Obstinate Nature, right? I think that's what it's going to be. I'm not sure yet, man. We'll figure it out when we get there. Alright? But in the meantime, man, welcome back, everybody, man. Shalom. Hope that everybody's been doing okay, man. Alright. Alright. Shalom, man. Peace and blessings to your homes, your dwelling places, your children, right? Your loved ones, your pets, your friends. All that good stuff, man. Oh, yeah, man. We can't forget about the little fur babies, man. Them little pets. Yeah, man. All right. So here we are, man. Isaiah 47. We're going to get some of this salt and dive in. All right, man. All praises to the Most High, man. All praises to Yahweh. Glory to Yahweh Shai. Honors to the Ruach HaKodesh, man. Hallelujah, man. My honor, my love, and my respect goes out to you guys, man. Hallelujah. Bathe in water, bathe in fire. Let's get ready to get these scrolls, all right? You got a few moments to get your books out, get your scrolls out, get your phone out, get whatever, your tablet, you know, your laptop, your computer, your PC. Get it fired up. Let's get ready to go ahead and get 47, man. Isaiah, you ready to go? All right, let's begin, man. Chapter 47, Isaiah. Let's begin. Okay, let's see, okay, chapter 47, and it reads, Come down and sit in the dust, O virgin daughter of Babylon, sit in the ground, there is no throne, O daughter of the Chaldeans, for thou shalt no more be called tender and delicate. Reference Isaiah 3 and 26, also Jeremiah 48 and 18. Verse 2, and it says, Take the millstones and grind meal, uncover thy locks, make bare the leg, uncover the thigh, pass over the rivers. Thy nakedness shall be uncovered, yea, thy shame shall be seen. I will take vengeance, and I will not meet thee as a man. For, because he's coming back as the Lion of Judah, not the Lamb of Yahweh. All right? And it says, As for our Redeemer, the Most High of Hosts is his name, the Kodesh one of Yahsher'al. Sit thou silent and get thee into darkness, O daughter of the Chaldeans, for thou shalt no more be called the Lady of Kingdoms. America? No longer will you be called the Lady of Kingdoms. Verse 6, and it reads, I was wroth with my people. I have polluted mine inheritance and given them into thine hand. Thou didst shew them no mercy. Upon the ancient hast thou very heavily laid thy yoke. And thou saidst, I shall be a lady forever, so that thou didst not lay these things to thy heart, neither didst remember the latter end of it. Therefore, hear now this, that thou that art given to pleasures and dwellest carelessly, the sayest in thine heart, I am, and none else beside me. I shall not sit as a widow, neither shall I know the loss of children. But these two things shall come to thee in a moment, in one day, the loss of children and widowhood. They shall come upon thee in their perfection, for the multitude of thy sorceries, and for the great abundance of thine enchantments. For thou hast trusted in thy wickedness. Thou hast said, None seeth me. Thy wisdom and thy knowledge, it hath perverted thee. And thou hast said in thine heart, I am, and none else beside me. Therefore shall evil come upon thee. Thou shalt not know from whence it riseth, and mischief shall fall upon thee. Thou shalt not be able to put it off. And desolation shall come upon thee suddenly, which thou shalt not know. Stand now with thine enchantments. Stand now with thy enchantments, right? All that wickedness, all that sorcery and witchcraft that you believed in, all your Ouija boards. No, keep that same energy. Pay attention. Stand down with thine enchantments, and with the multitude of thy sorceries wherein thou hast labored from thy youth. If so, be thou shall be able to profit. If so, be thou mayest prevail. Thou art wearied, and the multitude of thy counsels. Let now the astrologers and the stargazers and monthly prognosticators stand up and save thee from these things that shall come upon thee. Behold, they shall be subtle. The fire shall burn them. They shall not deliver themselves from the power of the flame. There shall not be a coal to warm, and nor a fire to sit before it. Thus shall they be unto thee, with whom thou hast labored, even thy merchants from thy youth, and shall wander every one to his quarter. None shall save thee. Revelation 18:11. You can't stop what's coming, heathen. You can't stop what's coming. You can't stop it. That's the end of Isaiah 47, and we're about to get even deeper into this, man. 48's coming up soon. All right. You can't stop what's coming. All you can do is prepare. In the meantime, in between time, shalom, shalom, peace and blessings to each and every single one of you. I'll see you soon on the next one. If you don't like it, I don't care. I don't care. I read for the people. I read for Yahweh. I read for the truth. And I read for exhortation and uplifting of my people. If you don't like it, I don't care. I love you, though. All right? Get on game. Talk to you soon. I love you, man. Peace and blessings, man. Peace out. Yeah.